Hey guys, back with another video of 60 seconds. This is Ali Raja, episode 13. Well guys, we're talking about hashtags again. This is for beginners. Guys, you need to post your hashtags around 30 or less. Don't go above that in your post. That's the first step. Second tip regarding hashtags is, if you're a beginner, do not try to put a hashtag that has a lot of million postings underneath it. For example, fitness has 250 or 225 plus million plus posting against it, so it's very hard to get ranked inside those kind of hashtags. Rather use a long tail hashtag. For example, fitness pro. Now fitness pro, last I checked, has 250,000 hashtags underneath it, so your content will start showing on these particular hashtags and your reach will increase. So that is the tip for today for hashtag beginners. Start using quality long tail hashtags. Ciao.